viewers. This is Ginia Neja, and good evening. This is the reading for the month of August for sun sign, moon sign, and ascendant of Leo. And it says that as far as your work and finance is concerned, you're going to face a challenge that you can resolve. Withdraw from the drama of others. Have patience with yourself and those around you. So, yes, you're going to have patience. And the oracle card says that angels want you to understand that obsession is like a poison, be it obsession of money, be it obsession of success, be it obsession of proving yourself to others. Be that for a lifestyle, job, relationship, or thinking. Identify your obsessive traits and distance yourself from them. Otherwise, they're going to wear you out and you're going to face challenges and there's going to be difficulties. So, obsession is not good, and having patience is important as far as the month of August goes. Leos, this is for Leos. And when it comes to relationships, you are creative, you are passionate, you are energetic, you are enthusiastic, but there may be separation on the horizon, as in basically maybe your beloved is traveling, or for some reason you all are unable to be together, or maybe one of you, it's a one-sided love. So under that circumstance, the oracle card says, my beloved, though we may be physically apart, spiritually we are always united, for love transcends space and time. Nothing is missing. We are all part of the same soul. We are all part of the same soul. So whatever you think, feel, is being transmitted to the person you're thinking about. So even if you don't have the opportunity to tell them personally, they can feel it. Whether they accept it or not is another story. They may think, or maybe the other person is thinking, and the vibrations are coming towards you. As far as health is concerned, there may be issues. So there is a possibility of accidents. There is whatever time you are alive on this earth, it's important to live your bliss. Live your life completely and fully. And make sure there is absolutely no regret, sorrow, guilt, or shame. And don't let anything landslides, earthquakes may be the cause of the accident. So just be a little careful. Also, there is a possibility of lightning, thunder, and fire accidents. So, well, these are things you can't really do much about. So I can't even say take care or be careful or do this or do that, because there's nothing really you can do. If it has to happen, it has to happen. And I'm really sorry. But just because I'm saying it does not mean that it's going to happen. Does not mean that you're going to die. Does not mean that it's going to be bad. If you pray to Archangel Michael to protect you, protect your home, protect your office. If you're traveling, ask him to protect you on your travel, and trust me, एक बाल भी बांका नहीं होगा. Not a single hair on your body will be harmed. Trust me. Just pray to God and be positive. Don't keep mulling or worrying or be in anxious that something's going to happen to you. You're going to fall sick, or you're going to have an accident, or you're going to die, or whatever. Don't think about those things, because if you think about it, it may happen. But if you don't think about it and instead you just, with full faith and belief, pray to Archangel Michael and to God to protect you, trust me, you'll come back home completely fine. Believe me on that. This I've tried. I'll tell you what. It's weird. So on the 24th of July, I'm sorry I'm taking a little bit of your time, but on 24th of July, there was this protest that I had gone to, and I was wearing the exact same shirt. The Awaken India movement protest against having lockdowns and against forced jabs and everything. And I don't believe it is right to force anyone or mentally manipulate anyone or in any manner. So, well, I knew I did tarot a day before, and I completely knew that the cops are going to make it difficult and they will try and arrest people, and things could get bad, which did happen. Things luckily did not get very bad, because one night before was full moon. And as usual, I did my full moon prayers and rituals and meditation. And I called onto the angels. I did an affirmation prayer. I called onto all the 7 archangels, or maybe more. I wrote their names, and I wrote in that, make sure each and every person in the protest is protected and unharmed, and nobody really can, and that we come home, all of us come back home safe. You will not believe it. I mean, if somebody has taken a video and they upload it, that's another story, but you will not believe it. 3 times almost, the cops came right till here to arrest me. One cop, as we were walking out of the protest, literally came like this to push me till here. He was right till here. And suddenly he stopped, and he just looked the other way. I walked up to Shivaji Park, and 2 cops there came on a bike. Actually, 4 cops, 2 bikes came one after the other to arrest us, saying that, why are you walking down the road? And why do you have this banner on your shirt? Because I had this sticker which said that I am against forced jab. So you have to remove that sticker, and you cannot walk on the road. Whereas there were so many people walking, so many people sitting, and all that. So I said, okay, tell me the reason for arresting me. He asked me to come with him to the police station. And so he didn't ask me that you come with me. He said, do you want to go to the police station, that you're walking around like this? Please remove that immediately. I said, no, I'm not going to remove it. And give me a reason why you should take me to the police station. So he was at a loss for words, and that video is I've already shared that video, and I'm sure you must have seen it. So anyway, this happened, and in the morning and before leaving, I had prayed to Archangel Michael, please make sure that each one of us is safe. He protects. He's there for everybody in the world at the same time, in 20,000 different places with 40,000 different people. He can still protect you. So don't worry. Everything will be fine. Just pray for protection and live fully with faith. Okay, सिंह राशि के लिए अगस्त का महीना, जहां तक काम का ताल्लुक है, हो सकता है कि आसपास के लोग आपके साथ कुछ इस तरह से पेश आए कि आपको सब्र रखने की जरूरत हो. किसी के मुंह लगने की जरूरत नहीं, लड़ने की जरूरत नहीं. अगर वो लड़ भी रहे हैं तो भी लड़ने की जरूरत नहीं. थोड़ा सा सब्र रखो, चुप्पी रखो, और रास्ते में अगर कुछ रुकावटें आती हैं आपके काम के, तो उन्हें कैसे लांघना है, कैसे अपनी मंजिल तक पहुंचना है, उस पे ज्यादा ध्यान दो। और किसी भी चीज को लेकर ऑब्सेस होना या जिद करना ठीक नहीं है। और अगर आपने किसी चीज को लेकर जिद की तो उसकी वजह से आपको दिक्कत आ सकती है, आपको नुकसान हो सकता है। और कार्ड्स कह रहे हैं कि आपको ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए। रिलेशनशिप्स की जहां तक बात है, हो सकता है कि आप और आपके हस्बैंड वाइफ गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड जो भी है, कुछ समय के लिए एक दूसरे से आपको दूर रहना पड़े या किसी को ट्रैवल करना पड़े, तो हो सकता है कि आप एक दूसरे से कुछ दिन के लिए अलग हों। तो प्यार है, क्रिएटिविटी है, पैशन है, सब कुछ है, लेकिन प्यार जो सच्चा प्यार होता है वो वक्त और जोग्राफिकल डिफरेंसेस की वजह से कभी बीच में नहीं आता। ये सब चीजें मतलब बीच में नहीं आती। जब आप किसी के बारे में सोचते हैं तो उन्हें पता चल जाता है कि आप उनके बारे में सोच रहे हैं। और अगर सच्चा प्यार होगा तो वो इंसान भी लौट आएगा और प्यार भी टिका रहेगा। तो उस बारे में आपको चिंता करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं। हेल्थ की जहां तक बात आती है तो एक्सीडेंट्स हो सकते हैं, भूस्खलन हो सकता है, भूचाल आ सकता है, हो सकता है उसकी वजह से आपको चोट लग सकती है। अगर आप ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं, गाड़ी का भी एक्सीडेंट हो सकता है। तो इस बारे में दूसरा, बिजली गिरना, शॉर्ट सर्किट होना वगैरह, आग की वजह से आपको हानि पहुंचना, ये चीजें भी हो सकती हैं। तो थोड़ा सा इस बारे में ध्यान रखिए। क्या कहूं, जितने दिन जिंदा हो और जब भी जितना वक्त भी खुल के जी सकते हो, खुल के जी लो। लिव योर ब्लिस, मतलब हर पल अपने मन में खुशी से जियो, हर पल को पूरी तरीके से जियो। इसका मतलब ये नहीं है क्योंकि मरने वाला है, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं कह रही हूं मैं। मेरी बात को गलत तो बिल्कुल भी मत समझना, क्योंकि अगर आप समझोगे तो वो यू आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर इट, आई एम नॉट, बिकॉज दैट्स नॉट व्हाट आई एम सेइंग। आई एम जस्ट सेइंग दैट यू गोइंग टू बी इंजर्ड। चोट लग सकती है। अगर खुश रहोगे और भगवान पे भरोसा करोगे, ईश्वर से कहोगे आपका ध्यान रखे, आपकी रक्षा करे, तो आपका बाल भी बांका नहीं होगा, ये याद रखना। और ये मैं हजारों बार पहले भी कह चुकी हूँ कि आर्कएंजल माइकल को कहो आपको प्रोटेक्ट करे, आपके घर को प्रोटेक्ट करे, आपके अपनों को प्रोटेक्ट करे। वो कर सकते हैं। तो अगर आपको पता है तो रोज सुबह उठ के, रोज रात को सोने से पहले एक बार ये बोल देना आप। इसके बाद अगर आप किसी एक्सीडेंट में भी हुए किसी वजह से, तो भी आपका बाल बांका नहीं होगा, ये मेरी गारंटी है। तो रिमेंबर दैट, दिस होल मंथ यू विल रिमेंबर दैट। पूरा महीना इस बात को याद रखना। सुबह शाम सोने से पहले और सुबह उठने के बाद आप आर्कएंजल माइकल या अपने ईश्वर को, किसी को भी आप चाहो, प्रार्थना करना कि वो आपको सुरक्षित रखे। मीनवाइल अगर आप पर्सनली अपने लिए जानना चाहते हो या अपॉइंटमेंट चाहते हो तो आप मुझे फ़ोन कर सकते हैं। आप मेरे सोशल मीडिया पे मुझे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। और मेरे वेबसाइट्स और सोशल मीडिया के लिंक्स सब इस वीडियो के नीचे हैं। थैंक यू सो मच। इस वीडियो को शेयर ज़रूर करना। हो सकता है कि आपकी वजह से किसी की जान बच जाए, हो सकता है। थैंक यू।